Welcome back, guys. So you see today we're there with a new video. When you never see we do this before, this is our first over here, so we're gonna do a curry coconut conch. And as you can see, we have some salt and pepper, the mother seasoning. We have the conch, it actually pouch already, and we have the curry, and we have some conch stock. That's how we get the conch stock, because we actually boil the conch, make it soft and easier to cook, because you don't know conch take a while. So now we're gonna just move over to the pot. We're gonna season this in the pot, so forward. Alright guys, so now we're gonna add a little oil to the pot.
Yes,
Just
guys.
enough, generous amount.
Remember to follow our business Instagram, that's Globalist Interaction JA no space. We have some sauces over there, so you can just look, see what you want, and DM us, or you can call the number and place your order.
Alright, so the pot they at the right temperature, so we're gonna add some garlic.
Yes, guys.
It is aromatic and nice.
Beautiful.
Along with the garlic, we're gonna add the curry.
Yes, guys. This is so flavorful already, guys. The curry and the garlic infused is a perfume for the kitchen.
Alright. Now we're gonna add some, pimento seed.
Yes, guys. If you know us, you know that we love cooking with pimento seeds and bay leaf, guys, because it makes the food aromatic and flavorful.
Now some bay leaf.
Right there.
This is a stir.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Just like how we want it. So now we're gonna add the conch.
Yes, guys.
Everything.
And we're going to saute these, guys. As we said before, it has already been poached, so it will not take any long cooking to finish with, right?
As I tell you, we have to use this in the pot. Alright, so now we're gonna add some carrots and Irish.
Yes, guys. And if you don't have carrot and Irish, but you have other vegetables that you would like to add in there, that's fine. Once as you enjoy them, then it will work. Yes, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. I don't know if you're seeing the curry well, but it's good.
Coming along with the salt and pepper.
Season from high, so it's evenly spread. Beautiful.
Right?
Yes, guys.
So we're going to look lovely, right? So now we're gonna add conch stock.
Yes, guys. Allow this to simmer, and you know this is very flavorful, guys. All that conch flavor is evident, right?
Last but not least, we're come with the milk and the pepper sauce. Stay tuned. Watch out.
Yes, guys. You can leave it down in the comment section and tell us your favorite seafood. Yes, guys.
Generous amount.
And if you don't enjoy pepper, you can leave out the pepper part of it. But you know, seafood goes well with pepper and all that good stuff. So yes.
Pepper sauce. Globalist Interaction. So these will be on the market as well, along with the other sauces that are already out there.
Yes, guys. So we're going to allow this to get to a simmer, and then we'll come back. So that's 5 to 8 minutes. So forward. Yes, guys, look at that. We're just going to add
some scallion and thyme.
Yes, guys, we're all about flavor over here. So now we're just waiting on the carrot and the Irish to be properly cooked, and then we're ready, right? So forward again. Look at that, guys. Ready now.
Irish and carrot cook. The conch was pre-cooked, so you're not ready. So that's
beautiful. Alright, guys, so ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers. Let's spam up the comment section. Let's go to the plating station. Yes, guys, start dropping them comments. Tap that, man. Rich. You feel me? Yes, guys. Leave it down in the comment section and tell us if you've enjoyed this video, which part you enjoyed the most, and what's your favorite seafood. Look at that beauty, man. Lovely. Look at that, man.
Now we're gonna add some sauce, guys. Sauce it up. I know you have some people them call it gravy, but we not deal with gravy around here. Sauce. Not good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean up the plate and come back and add the bami soon forward.
So forward. Inspection, guys. The plate is all cleaned up. Time to get on with the rest of the plating. Yes, guys, this is going with some bamins, right? Beautiful. Time for the garnish. Yes, guys, remember pictures will be posted on our Instagram. We post pictures every Sunday and every Saturday. Lovely. This is it, guys. Beautiful.
I'm hearing in the comment section and tell me your favorite part of the video.
Yes, guys, so this is a wrap, right? Until next time,
Bye foodies! Bang bang boom!
remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?